Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how do you get more views on your Facebook Reels. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, so how do you go viral on Facebook Reels, or how do you get more views? I'm going to share 3 specific tips with you, and you can do these in like 5 minutes. So they are super simple to implement. So first, let me show you something. Here is one of our pages that we use Facebook Reels on, and we do have Facebook Reels monetization program on this, which means we are getting paid for posting Reels for the views that we get on the Reels. Obviously, it makes sense to try to understand and to set a goal of getting more views, right? All right, now let's look at some of these Reels here. So you can see 21K, 42K, 63K, that's high views. This video right here. Here are some more normal, and boom, look at this. So that's like 10 times more views, 109,000, and this one was 110,000. So something happened here, and these reels are actually very similar. There is a specific tactic that we used inside these reels to be able to get more views. And let me actually bring you some of my notes here. So tip number 1 is actually the hook structure. So what's a hook? Hook is the first 2 to 3 seconds of your Facebook reel. So for example, let me play this. I muted the audio so it doesn't interrupt me recording this video. But if you notice, there are 2 hooks in this Facebook reel. One is what you read, the text. The second is the video hook. There's something that the subject is doing in the video. So that's our tactic number 1. Pay extra attention to first 2 to 3 seconds of your video, and you can experiment with different hooks, different structures, people moving in the first 2 to 3 seconds, doing something strange. Let me go back to this video too, and same thing. There's a hook here. These guys found the best AI video tool. That's like the text hook. But then also, yeah, there looks like there are a couple of guys who are working and finding AI tools. So similar structure here. So tip number 1, if you want to get more views on Facebook Reels, pay extra attention to your hooks and try to use 2 different hooks, the visual and also the written hook on your video. And boom, here you go. Look at this. Actually, there's a reason why we did that. This video with the same structure. So let me bring that up. These guys live in 2027, and look, so there is a text hook, and then there's also a visual hook in the Facebook reel. This will actually work on your TikToks, Instagram reels, YouTube shorts as well. So our tip number 1 to get more views on Facebook reel is the structure of your hook, the first 2 to 3 seconds. All right, tip number 2 is using the collab feature. This is actually really powerful, and I wish more people use this. But let me go and create a brand new reel because I want to show you. And let's record something. I'm gonna record a video of my messy desk, my laptop, then hit next. Next. And then this is where you're gonna enter your description, your caption, your hashtags. But here is where the magic feature is: invite a collaborator. Click here, and now you can add other people, and I'll give you a suggestion. And what happens is when you add a collaborator on your reel, your Facebook reel will appear on 2 different Facebook profiles or pages, yours and that person. So I think if you're a brand, find influencers. If you are a content creator, find other people in your niche. The key is they gotta have same niche. They gotta have the audience that you want. Their content needs to be somewhat similar to you, because otherwise, if I make videos about AI tools and I do a collab with someone who does videos about or reels about cooking, then it doesn't make sense, because then the audience is not going to transfer. They're not going to watch my content. So use the collab feature. Make a list of, what I would do is make a list of 4 to 5 other creators, other influencers in your niche, and do collab with them, a weekly collab or a couple of times a week, and you'll see your views and your Facebook page growth skyrocket. You can thank me later for that. So tip number 2 was doing collabs. Tip number 3 is music. So this is kind of like a person, and actually there's a tip number 4 too, which is kind of like a boring, be consistent. I know I don't like saying that, consistency, I guess. But it works. Nothing works without being consistent, so you got to be consistent with Facebook Reels as well. Going back to the music, I would not use any music that's inside your library. So if you go inside music, any music that's available in the Facebook Reels library, I would stay away from it. For some reason, whenever I try to use Facebook Reels music from Facebook, I always get into trouble. I get restricted monetization issue, policy issue. So I would stay away from it. But for specific tips you can use to double, triple, 10x your views on Facebook Reels: hook structure, collab, not using music, and then staying consistent with it. I can tell you, whenever I'm traveling and I don't do consistent posting, my overall views goes down on Facebook Reel. That's just the nature of the beast. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.